If you need help with creating an event on Google Calendar, stay until the end of this video. Hello everyone. I will show you how to create an event on Google Calendar that can serve as a reminder. First, open this application. Click on this button here. You can choose between 4 options. I will choose the standard option for creating some specific event. I will click on the event option. Here you can set the details of your event. I will add the name of the event. Festive Lunch. Here you can also add other people and set the time. If we choose the all-day option, it will mark that this event lasts all day. But for example, I will set the start of this event at 1:10 p.m. The second displayed time indicates the end time. I will leave it to be 2:10 p.m. Then, I will add a reminder 5 minutes before the event starts. It will be displayed and heard as an alarm on the phone. Finally, I will add a short description, "Get ready." Click the Save button to save. Now we can find the created event and see the details. Given that I set the event time for 1:10 p.m. and a reminder for 5 minutes before the start, I will wait to show you how this application will notify you. As you can see, the reminder appeared on the screen and an alarm-like sound is heard. Google Calendar can be used in many other ways. Also, you can import scheduled overnight stays via the booking platform or any other reminders for events, such as birthdays and other important dates. If you liked the video, like it and share it. Subscribe to the channel.